All right, let's consider this equation. Okay, so this exponential equation is very simple. Now, let's make it easier. So, in case we're given a minus b equals to 0, we can write this one as a equals to b. Now, we can say 4 times half raised to x minus 1 the same as half raised to that. As simple as that. Okay. Now we have so many ways of solving this. Okay. Now we can change this one to 2 to the power 2. So times, you can also write this one as 2 to the power negative 1 times x minus 1. And we can do same here, 2 raised to negative 1, 2 minus x. Okay, so we can go ahead and rewrite this one as 2 to the power 2, 2 raised to minus x plus 1. And we have minus 2 plus x be the same as x minus 2. So we can perform indices here. Lots of indices. So we are multiplying, so we can add the powers. Have 2 plus minus x plus 1, that is 3 minus x. The same as 2 raised to x minus 2. I've interchanged the position. So let's equate the powers. 3 minus x the same as x minus 2. So we have 3 plus 2 will be the same as x plus x. Okay, so we have 5 equals to 2x. Therefore, x the same as 5 on 2. Alright, so that's that. Okay.